It's snowy out. There's our bird. He's eating. Or she's eating. I don't know if it's a he or a she. But it's a beautiful day. And I'll let it be a beautiful day. It's a beautiful bird. Ain't you, bird? Yes, you are beautiful. Yes, you are beautiful. And there's one up in the nest. The nest is just a bucket. The bucket that they go in is their nest. That's their home. Beauties. Yeah, there's more. Find it. There's more. Find it. Uh-huh. You got it. Look, there's more that you can have. Uh-huh. The bird says, I'm not stupid. I may be bird brain. I'm not stupid. He's a bird brain. But he's our bird brain. Maybe he had enough? Did he have enough? Are you going to go away? Maybe yes. Bye.